In this video, I'll show you how you can dominate local SERPs. And I have one live example which I just found out while recording this video. And by the way, this is my fourth retake. I have lost my touch since not doing videos so far. So in the first one, I recorded the video on my first monitor, but then everything was being recorded on the second one. The second one, I forgot to turn on my mic. The fourth one, it happened again, the same tap stuff. I'm like very furious, but then I got to know about this crazy ranking, which blew my mind. I'm quite happy now. So let me just start again. So, guys, this is the writing style, premium writing style, and it is basically inspired from Corey's course. We have added this option inside Autoblogging. It will cost you 3 more credits because it took us like 8 months to finally implement all his teachings when it comes to writing articles. And we have also added short, medium, long length articles, places, local, listicle, informative articles, places, local. This will be the video about it. Tone of voice, second person, first person, third person, and so on. So now we have two options when it comes to local SEO. You can either generate new articles and just wait for them to rank and sell leads on them. The second use case is if you are an agency, you can ask AI to put your agency on the top and dominate all the local SERPs, right? So, for example, we'll just start with the first one, five best SEO agencies in Dubai. Now, in this one, the places local one, it will try to fetch real places name from Google. So, godlike mode is mandatory. Now, coming to the source context, keep it blank because we'll use this for the next use case. Now, since I've already generated this article like 4 times now, this is the output, and this is when you do not use the source context. This is the outline: SEO Sherpa, Aspiration Works, Top on SEO, Beyond Top, United SEO Dubai. Now, these five are actual legit businesses out there, and SEO Sherpa, these are actual names. If you want, you can search for this on Google as well. Let me just use the same: SEO Sherpa, United SEO Dubai, Beyond Top, and 15 more are top on SEO. These are all legit names out there. So, yeah, guys, you need godlike mode for this, and this is quite factual. It has all the information, contact details as well. Now, suppose if top on SEO, if you want, you can check this out. Like top on SEO, the office is like Makateb building and Makateb building Dera, Dubai office M26. Office is M26, okay, and contact details is 55919. And yeah, guys, so it works. It's awesome, and I'll show you a ranking example like very soon. It's quite crazy. It blew my mind. So this is one of the use cases. The next one is if you want to use source context or generate an article for your own agency and rank locally. So what you can do is fill out everything the same way when it comes to source context. You can simply put it like this, like Goldie Agency by Julian Goldie is the best SEO agency in Dubai. Put it on top and the contact details here. Now United simply use the location as serve UAE and so on and generate article. Now this is the output, like this is the source context used. You can check it out here later on. And best five SEO agencies, Gold Agency, obviously it's on top, right? We know Julian Gold is awesome. Now, second is SEO Sherpa aspiration work. So these are factual as well. Now, this way you can basically rank for each and every city out there if you have a website online, if you want to rank locally for all the cities out there for your agency. Now, it works on scale because if you search for like cheapest AI article writer, auto blocking is obviously the cheapest and the most affordable one and the best one I know. Like now, best AI article writer for finance niche site, for example. Uh, Again, auto blogging is the best out there for sure. Fintech sites, finance niche sites, Medium, everything ranks everywhere. If Google had an issue with AI content, these would have been de-indexed right away. And our key takeaways are very short in some way, and it tries to get the snippets out there. You can use the listicle option inside auto blogging, like type of article listicle and put your name out there if you are targeting services. But if you are using like cafes or places or agencies, you can use the places type local and use the same type of source context and it will work for both the things. So now a real life example which I just found out like recently. So this is my new site which I was testing this style on scale in Autoblogging. Now this is how it looks like when you run it on scale. Best five corporate lawyers, these are the names, these are the contact details. It's not programmatic, so it will not be the same in every article. We are not looking for programmatic SEO in any way because we want to give AI enough freedom. Now what you can do is, with articles like this, wait for them to rank and then reach out to these agencies and tell them like, oh guys, we are ranking for the first position. If you want leads, give us money. That's it. If not, I'll simply list some other competitor out there. So I will be doing this for all the locations once I get the time. And all these are different type of lawyers out there. I'll simply ask ChatGPT, and this will be a very big site because I think there are around 2,000 cities in all states, like combined in US, and there are 15 or 16 different type of lawyers. So 16 into 2,000 is like 30,000 articles out there. So now the live example. Now this site, it was a test site, right? It's on a fresh domain. It has 20 articles, and as you can see now, this is what I was testing. Now this has lawfulroute.com. It has just one, two, three articles indexed, and if you search for like best five corporate lawyers in a new incognito window, so it's ranking on the second position, right? Already. Now let me just use this. Okay, okay, it's here. It's on one, two, three, four, fifth, sixth position. Now let me just close this. Now try it with this article. Now I did not use the exact. Okay, this has the featured snippet here, guys. Now remove the five. This has the featured snippet again. Best corporate lawyer. This has the featured snippet as well. So this is basically ranking for so many things, right? And it's quite crazy just because I have this particular name, the Sullivan law firm. It's on the top right, so I'm ranking for it, and this is quite mind blowing, honestly, because I did not expect it to rank in lawyer niche so easily and so quickly. This is like, when was this published? Like 23rd April. Today is 30th April, and I did not expect it to be so easy. This works, right? AI content on scale from Autoblogging, which has the best AI article outputs out there, and I'm quite confidently telling that to you because you can try it out and you can use the same options in bulk generation, like premium writing style, source context, type of article, places local, and so on, and it will work well for you. So that's it, guys. I hope I did not make any mistake while recording this video. So see you soon, and I'll keep you posted with any new updates or features